How to use Hotspot on iPhone.
On the device you want to connect to, go to Settings. Tap on Mobile Data. Doesn't show any hotspot option. Let's show the hotspot first. Go to Mobile Data Network. Type WAP on the Personal Hotspot section. Go back. Now you can see the personal hotspot. Tap it. Now slide to allow others to join. Change the password if you need. Let's connect with another phone. Make sure to stay on this screen until you have connected to your other device to the Wi-Fi network. Successfully connected.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.